Hi guys, my name is Clement MU, and today I'm gonna be making a tutorial video on web design. I made a previous tutorial on web development, and right now I'm making a series on web design and development. So right now I'm gonna be concentrating on web design. And if you guys didn't catch the previous tutorial on web development, you might wanna watch it. It's just it's on the playlist. I've added it for you, so you might just wanna click on the playlist and of course check it out. And if you guys want me to make any tutorial video, anything that you prefer, you can leave a comment right below this video. And please also don't forget to subscribe. Yeah, and if yeah, so if you guys want me to make more cool videos like this one, please just subscribe to my channel. Okay, so this is the layout that we're gonna be making today. I just made it rough drawing of our layout. So this is what we're gonna be trying to make today. Of course, we're gonna we're gonna be making the header element right there, and where you can have your logo for the website, your login, stuff like that. You guys know what you can add there. And of course, you're gonna have the content bar and their sidebar, and in the content bar you can have your main website stuff. And if you have seen a website, obviously you know what I'm talking about. Any website really, this is really the layout. You have the header right here where there is the logo and stuff, logins, and the content bar where there is most of the content stuff, and then this is where most websites advertise. Okay, and then of course you have a footer just to make it look more attractive. Okay, so let's start off, guys. I'm only limited with time, and I'm gonna be as quick as possible because I already did this. I did most of this in the previous tutorial. Okay, of course, if you guys didn't install notepad plus, just leave me a comment so that I show you how to install notepad plus. Okay, before starting this video, I was actually just going through it a bit. So that's the stuff right there. Okay, maybe we might want to say sorry about that. You might want to say okay. I'll close that off. Okay, so as I said, I'm gonna be a little bit fast, guys, because I already went through most of this stuff. I just didn't save the layout, so I have to start over again. But if you missed that, oh, it's an advantage for you. And if you watched it, too bad. Okay, remember I have to surround everything within HTML like that, within HTML tags, and then of course everything in HTML opens and closes like that. Okay, sorry, opens and closes. Okay, and the first thing you might want to do is you might want to add the head tag, of course, like that. Close off the head tag like that. And yeah, I'm gonna try to be very quick, guys, with this because I already did this in the previous tutorial. So I'm not gonna explain any of this because it's already in the other video. If you guys want to check that out, just click the other video on the playlist right there. Okay, so most of this stuff I'm not gonna explain. I'm only gonna explain what's not in the other video. And unless if you guys want me to, then you can leave a comment so I can explain most of the stuff in the later tutorials. Okay, so here we're gonna have the okay, try and be fast, guys. So if you missed the other tutorial, you might want to check it out. It's just next to this one. I'm gonna add it in this description. Okay, so maybe let me just make this full screen for you guys. Okay, so the other thing is of course you have that, and then in our title we might want to say web design. Okay, web design. Okay, so okay, pretty sure this is much it. And we might want to link to our CSS. Okay, that's if I still remember correctly. Link sorry, style. Okay, shit. Okay. Okay. name okay, let me just name that style dot CSS. So if you guys missed the previous tutorial again, you might want to check that out because I explained most of this stuff in that tutorial. So yeah, you guys might want to check that out. Okay, so now we can go ahead and save that. You might want to say save as. Okay, let me just save it on the desktop. Hey, where has it gone? Okay, let me just save that on the desktop. Okay, and I'm gonna show you guys where you can be saving your website for professionality sake. But for now, just for the tutorial sake and for simplicity sake, I'll just save it on the desktop. So you guys can leave some comments right there just to give me what you guys want me to do. Okay, so you save that. Okay, before I actually save that, let me just show you how. Let me just tell you how you're supposed to save this. I already did that, but I'm gonna go through it again. So if you're saving any HTML document from Notepad++, you always have to specify, okay? And in this case, you're gonna have to say index. That's your first page. The first page always has to be index.html. And if you guys are using Mac, you might want to be careful with the caps. Okay, you might want to be using only if it's small letters, just small letters. If it's capital letters, it's just capital letters. That's for those who are using Mac. But if you're using Windows, you're safe. Any either caps, capitals or small, you can combine them. Doesn't matter if you're using Windows. Okay, then you're gonna save as hypertext markup language file HTML. Okay, and you guys be careful because what I'm telling you right now, what I'm showing you, if you don't save it exactly as I've saved it, it won't show, and you might think this tutorial sucks, but actually it doesn't. It's just you probably wasn't done the right thing. Okay, so now that I've saved that, I might go ahead and save it right there. Okay, if you can see, it has come alive. And don't worry about the color of my text. I just customize my Notepad++. If you guys want me to show you to do that, just leave a comment below and I'll show you how to customize your Notepad++. Okay, guys, we're running out of time, so I'll be as fast as possible. Okay, so now that we've done that, we might actually want to run this in Chrome. Launching Chrome. Okay, launching Chrome. Okay, let me just show you what we have done right there. Okay, yeah, I'm sure you can see this is our web page right there. Obviously it's written index.html. If you guys didn't add the .html, it wouldn't even show this Chrome icon right there or any other browser icon because it wouldn't be saved properly. Okay, so mine is saved properly, hence the Chrome icon right there. Okay, okay, so while it's still loading, of course, most of the stuff I went through it, so I'm still just browse through. We might want to add our style.css that we referenced right here. And as I said, if you guys watch my previous tutorial, you know what I'm talking about. Okay, style.css, and how you do that is simply, you just say new and then you just save as desktop as well. And then that style.css. Okay, and then save as type. It's supposed to be right below this style.css. Style.css. Okay, style.css. Okay, perhaps. It's supposed to be creative style sheet. I mean cascade style sheet. Here it is. Cascade style sheet. Okay, so I'm gonna save it as well on the desktop, but you guys might want to create folders for these documents. You might want to put them in one folder. Okay, but for me, this is just a tutorial. I've just saved them on the desktop like that, but you guys might want to save them in folders, and you always have to make sure you save them in the same folder. Okay, so you just open that. Of course it's index.html. It's loading. Okay, while it's still loading, obviously my time is limited. I'm trying to be as fast as possible. Okay, so basically we expect our website to be blank since we haven't added anything in the body right here. We've only written something in the head which is going to display. Okay, so web design. Okay, that's our web design right there. web design. So obviously this is our page or our website, whatever you guys want to call it. Now let's get to designing this website for the layout. Okay, and within our body we might want to add the content. Okay, and how we do that is by introducing a div, and you might want to use class. Okay, I'm not gonna explain some of these things, but if you guys want me to explain most of this stuff, please leave some comments below this video, and I'm going to make a video where I'll explain everything that's within this video. Okay, so you guys can download this video, watch it, and if you don't understand, leave me a comment. This is my on the channel Clipboard Ventures, and I'll be able to explain everything that I've put in this video. For now, I'm just gonna go ahead and show you how to design your website. So if you want me to explain what this stuff means, please leave links right below, leave comments right below, and then you can also subscribe to my channel. Thank you. Okay, so my channel is a div class, and name that content. Okay, and then you always have to close off your divs like that. Close off that div, and okay, I'm gonna I don't know if I should still be quick or a bit slow for you guys, but if you guys want to understand this stuff, please just leave some comments below, and I'll be able to explain it for you. Okay, so and then you might want to add the aside like that. Close off the aside like that, and then of course you might want to add the footer like that. Close off, and you might want to save that. You can obviously come there, save, or just press Ctrl S, which is what I've been pressing mostly. Ctrl S. Okay, and Control is probably the last button on your top and on your bottommost left, the last button, and then save it is, so you press that button with S, Control S. Okay, so so far we've got the layout. Okay, so just to show you guys what we've done, we might want to open this just to show you guys what I've done. Yeah, and if you guys don't understand this, please don't worry, just leave me some comments below, and I'll make a video. I'll explain everything, what everything in here means, but for now I'm just gonna be based mostly on the design part than on the language part. Okay, if you want me to explain the language, just leave me okay. The alternative is, of course, you can refresh this, which is already open, and we have done that. Just refresh. In fact, let me just close that. Okay, since we still have nothing, that's why it's still blank like that. We haven't added anything yet. Okay, in fact, if just to make sure, let me just show you. We might add some text in here, some gibberish text. In fact, that text we might want to add it like this, H1. Yeah, so okay, just to show you how it's gonna look. Now we add in the H1 tags like that for everything opens and closes. Again, I'm sure in my other tutorial videos I explained what all this stuff is, so just watch that video and you'll be able to understand what this is really. Okay, don't want to waste much time on that, so I'm gonna save that. And okay, so when you go back to our website and refresh that, okay, so we have that right there in our website, and clearly okay, we haven't really achieved the layout that we're looking for here. So okay, okay, in our side we might want to add something as well. Might want to use an H1 tag as well there. H1. Don't worry guys, if you don't understand this, just watch my previous tutorial to make things so easy for you guys. Okay, right now just follow through what I'm doing and you understand it easily later on. Okay, after watching my tutorial video. Okay, and then of course in the footer I might want to add possibly copyright. Copy my website.com. Okay, might want to save that as well. Okay, and you might want to add also a div just to get our layout, the layout that we're looking for. Div, might want to name this a header. Might want to close off the div. Okay, so now okay, let me just show you what we've done right here. Okay, so that's what we have. Okay, so what we're gonna do is now we're gonna lay out this in the format that we said we're supposed to make, which is this format right here: header, element, content bar, sidebar, footer, IE, about us, stuff like that. Okay, we're gonna try to make this like that. And how we do that is we now use the style.css, which is the designing part of the entire website. And you might wanna reference the body. Might wanna make the color. Might wanna okay. Let's just leave the background color white, but we just might wanna affect the color of all the text that's on the body, and we make that a dark gray. And if you if you don't understand these values, you can just copy them. You can also use the normal colors, just red, blue, green, whatever colors you guys feel like using. And okay, so now here I'm gonna show you how to affect divs, and how you simply affect the how you affect the divs is you use the classes, use a dot, and in this case, which classes we have the header div, which is we affect that as header, which is header. Make sure you use, if it's caps, if you use a capital, you have to use the capital as well in here. Okay, so you might want to introduce a brackets, brackets. You might want to say make a background color, you might want to make that a dark gray also. No, it won't make so much sense. A light gray, like that. Save that. Might want to change the height, make it probably 50 pixels, like that. And then width, let's just leave it, let's just let it be automatic. We save that, and when we refresh our website, we expect something. Okay, so obviously we didn't okay, let me just try to change the color of the body, background color, to see if our CSS has been referenced properly. Okay, and if it hasn't, obviously nothing will happen. Okay, so it hasn't been referenced properly, and that simply comes to this line of code right here. Okay, so we might want to change this right here. Might want to change this to href, like that, and of course save that. Okay, and we can now go back to our website, refresh that. Okay, so that has taken effect, and now what we might want to do is, okay, we might now want to remove this, of course. Okay, and save that, and go back to our web page. For since we referenced the header, we give it a height of 50 pixels. Let's just try to see what. Okay, so obviously we've referenced our header wrong. Okay, and you might wanna go back to that. Oh, of course, come on, class equal to, so you guys have to follow through. Okay, like that. Okay, and then we might wanna save that, Control S, or simply save right there. And then when we go back to our CSS, Okay, so when you go back to our website, refresh that, of course we have that. Okay, and that will be our header. And of course, as you can see, we didn't put anything in here. We might want to put our logo, my logo right there. We might surround this probably in h3 tags like that, h3 like that. Okay, so and of course we might want to also affect our content, and you might want to do that by saying content. We might want to make the color of that as background dash color. We might want to make the color okay, just to show you what we're doing, let me just put a red like that, ordinary color, and might want to give it width of, and you guys, I would advise you to be using percentages. Okay, you might want to say give it a width of 60% like that. Okay, width of 60%, height, okay, let's give it a height as well, but usually you will not be using the height, but just for now we can use the height. Maybe let's just say 450 pixels. Okay, that's our height, 450 pixels. Okay, we can go back to our website, refresh that. Okay, so yeah, we're almost getting to our layout, which is this right here, the element, content, the sidebar, and then the footer right there. Okay, so what else? Their sidebar, of course. Okay, their sidebar. Okay, we might want to reference we might want to add the side, and one thing is the aside, you do not use the dot with the aside because it's not a div, it's just like that. Okay, remember that. We might want to give it a width as well, width of, let's say, let's make it 40%. And also on this one, you might actually want to might want to make the margin to be 0 like that. Okay, make sure you change the margin to 0 on that one, and then on the side, margins, usually these are the spaces. Okay, like when you go to our website, the margin, usually this space right here, and there's a space in front of it, that's the margin. So you have to, it's usually just basic mathematics here. The entire thing, the entire website is 100%. So if you give it a margin right there, obviously, and you make the aside 40% and 60, and with margin it won't add up. The aside will go down instead of being aside as the name specifies. So you have to change, you have to add a 0 margin right there. And then for this one as well, let's give it a height. We give it the same height as the content, that's 450 pixels like that. Okay, 450 pixels. What else? Let's also give it a background just to differentiate it from the content color, background color. Let's just say, let's just give it a blue. Okay, just some simple basic colors, just give it a blue. And also the margin, we say 0. Okay, now I'm gonna do something deliberately here just to come and stress the point later on. When you go back to our website, refresh that, obviously, yeah, okay, obviously we have this aside blue, but it's down. It's instead of being to the side right here, it's down. So how you can do that is you introduce what is known as floats. Okay, so basically what you simply do is you say you float it, and you float it to the left, because since you want it to go to the other side, so you float it to the left, thereby meaning it's supposed to come here. Okay, you're floating it in relation to this, so it's moving to the left. That's basically floating. So let's try to refresh that. Okay, so okay, and also you might want to float the content as well. You might want to float it to the left as well, like that, left as well, like that. Okay, so that when we refresh our website, okay, there we go. So now we have got an aside. Okay, an aside, and copyright. Okay, let me just show you what I meant by footer. The footer also shouldn't be referenced with a dot. It's just like that. Okay, let's say let's give it a background color. Let's make it also a dark gray like that. Okay, just for neatness sake. And then what else would we want to change here? Okay, for the footer, let's just add a background color. And maybe let's align the text in the footer. Align this is center like that. Okay, margin, let's just remove the margin as well. Margin 0 like that. Okay, you can say 0 pixels, 0, whatever you guys feel like, it's okay. Okay, so we might also want to change the we might also want to give it a height just to make it look nice and attractive. Might want to say 20 pixels. Okay, like that. 20 pixels for the height. Refresh that. Okay, so something is wrong. Height 20 pixels. Okay, now where is this wrong? Okay, let's give it a bigger height, 50 pixels. Don't know if I'm supposed to float it right now, but let me just try that first of all. Okay, what's going on here? Okay, but obviously you can see the copyright right there. Okay, let me just remove the height. Obviously it's just bringing some confusion right there. Okay, let's try to refresh that. Okay, so we have got back this, but the height was supposed to be okay. No, it's fine. No height like that. Okay, and then probably maybe I might just want to make this a little bit bigger. Let's say h1, put it within h1 tags just to make it look a bit neat and attractive. h1 like that. Okay, and then what do we do? Okay, and then the heights, let's just make them a little bit bigger so that we just make this website look more attractive. Okay, by changing the heights to 550 like that. Okay, and then when we refresh that, okay, and then for the color, okay, how about we just make this one 580 like that, and then the color of our body, let's just say the text should be white. Okay, because obviously the copyright is right here, but it's the same color as the background, that's why it's invisible. So when you make it white and refresh that, okay, so basically this is the layout for our website. In fact, let's just make the header something like 100 pixels just to make it a little bit more attractive. Refresh that. Okay, so basically this is our website. Okay, this is the design of most websites right there, and we have got the basics of how to design your website. If you enjoyed this video, guys, just give me a feedback and I will be able to comment for you. So thank you very much for watching. See you guys.